American Idol's Michael Johns still represents the ATL. Part of his Southern style comes from local clothing company Esperanza, and they've got lots of cool stuff with an Atlanta twist. Designer Bart Sasso joins us now. Bart, good morning.
Good morning.
Hey, great to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Well, you know, American Idol is the most popular show on the planet.
Absolutely.
Millions of people are tuning in each and every week. The exposure doesn't get better than that, does it?
No, not at all.
And you got Michael Johns wearing your T-shirts up
Exactly.
not once but several times now.
A couple times, yeah.
Yeah, and I think one of them that I noticed was the I-85 Riding Dirty.
Yes, absolutely. And that's the one the AJC called us about during the show. And it was just an immense surprise. It really was. You know, he used to perform at CJ's Landing, where we used to host events. It was one of the only places that would let us do the events.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, I guess we crossed paths at some point and grabbed a couple of our shirts and took them out to LA.
Yeah, and obviously he's a big fan because he keeps wearing them. Now the I-85 Riding Dirty T-shirt has more or less sold out.
It is totally sold out.
Totally sold out. You can't even get them anymore.
Not anymore, unfortunately.
Oh my God.
We're thinking about bringing them back though because the demand has been so good.
Yeah, absolutely. And you guys, have you been in touch with him since you found out that he's been wearing the shirt on the show?
No. You know, we've tried to not really put any pressure or make any kind of contact whatsoever. I mean,
maybe might send him the new line. I don't know.
yeah. After American Idol, absolutely.
Well, we've got some images of the T-shirts that you have. Tell me about how you came up with the logos and the graphics, because not only are they clever and fun, but some of them are very powerful.
Yeah. You know, it's stuff totally influenced by Atlanta. We kind of started out doing it for just fun, printing T-shirts in our garage, and you know, we'd start wearing them out, and people, you know, wanted to know where we got them, where they could get them, and stuff like that. So, you know, we kind of thought maybe we've got something here, and, you know, it's just progressed since. You know, there's so many lines coming out of New York and LA and Chicago. We thought, why not Atlanta?
Absolutely.
And so we started putting like historical things around the city.
I love it, and I've got one that has a real kind of Southern twist to it. Southern Rebel.
Yes.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's a little twist.
It's sassy.
Yeah.
It's real sassy. I'm guessing the number of hits on your website has just gone through the roof.
Skyrocketed.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable, yeah.
Okay, we've got a couple other T-shirts here. This is from the new line, which, again, this is one of my favorites. And all of your T-shirts come in men and women's versions.
That's correct.
Okay, this is really special. The image of Martin Luther King Jr., Dr. King, on a card as a king. I mean, there's a double entendre going on here.
And
That's
the
really
A for Atlanta, stuff like that.
Awesome.
A lot of thought goes into a lot of these
Yeah,
things.
it does. Yeah, and I know that it's really resonating with crowds here in Atlanta, and I'm sure that's going to spread across the country. And the cotton is so soft.
Yeah, it's something we pride ourselves on, really cutting edge printing techniques and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. And any plans to expand beyond T-shirts at this point?
Yeah, we've actually thought about it. You know, we've been contacted by people around the city who want kind of our twist on events they hold in Atlanta and whatnot, so that's really exciting. You know, we've been a part of a huge festival called the Echo Project. I don't know if you're familiar with that, but you know, we lent some of our design to them, and then we've been noticed by other people because of it. So.
And you guys give back to Atlanta through the T-shirts too. Tell me about how you do that.
Absolutely. We the biggest thing we do is the Best Event Ever, which is held biannually now at Park Tavern at Piedmont, and it benefits Susan G. Komen Foundation. And we've been doing that for 3 years, and you know, we went to school with the girls who started it, and they kind of contacted us because they like the T-shirts we do, and we came up with that Save Boobs shirt.
Yeah, let me grab that. Let me hold that up.
Just as kind of a surprise to, you know, raise money before the event, and this is the second version of that shirt, and it's just one of our most popular
I bet it is. I bet it is.
And so yeah, we work with them. We've worked with the Ronald McDonald House. We've worked with Leukemia Lymphoma Society a little bit, and we're always looking for more to do around the city.
Okay, now when you say we, who do you mean? Tell me about your two other business partners.
Well, I'm Bart Sasso. This is Daniel Barbalo and Eric Kelly over here. I don't know if they're not on the screen, but yeah, you know, we've been friends for ages, and Daniel and I started in his garage, and Eric kind of came aboard later. He's my best friend from growing up, so yeah, the three of us pretty much do everything you see. It's yeah.
That's fantastic. Well, we wish you continued success.
Thank you so much.
You guys are doing some great work.
Thank you.
Check out some of the new designs for 2008 from Esperanza. You can link to their website and their MySpace page by logging on to ours. That's at myfoxatlanta.com, and it's all in the Scene on TV section. If you go to their website, they have a list of all the different boutiques where you can get their T-shirts as well.